Today in this channel, let's have a look into Readymade Binary MLM e-commerce admin demo. So in this video, we'll have a further look into how the admin controls the software and what features does the admin have and what are the benefits of using an MLM software from an owner's side, and all these details are explained in this video. If you are new to this video, we have previously discussed about the user demo and its web page. Please check out this video and come here. And as I said earlier, we are an MLM software development company in Chennai, running in more than 16 years, successfully completing 800 plus projects. And this is how the admin demo looks. And when you log into the admin demo, just type in your username and your password. After entering your username and password, click into login. When you click into login, you will enter into your admin panel of the dashboard. And in this dashboard, you can see the overall overview and the statistics. As you can see, that is the outer layer and the basic of the dashboard, like TDS management, transaction setting, mailing system, statistics. TDS management refers to tax deduction source. It means as an admin how much tax percentage you are deducting from each user's commission, and this is TDS management. You can change all these details in this admin demo and we'll explain further. And in transaction settings, how much total request of transactions are considered and cancelled, mailing system, and every details are here. And in the side you can see reward management, countryman, and all these tabs are in this side, and we will explain detailedly one by one. So let's get into further. So first is staff management. So in staff management, it means assigning users to a particular role for controlling your admin. So it means there are many tabs in admin pages, so you can assign a particular user for these roles so they can manage only the particular tab. By clicking on add staff, you can type in their name, email ID, password and their mobile number, and you can assign the particular role. The member, when they enter, they can log in onto these particular pages and they can control only these features. When you click on submit, and if they are active and inactive is all shown here, and this is how staff management works. Next is reward management. In reward management, you can see you can reward the users a particular amount or a reward when they complete each pass or level, and you can change it in these pages. You can click whether you want these reward to be active or inactive, or if you want to totally delete it. And if you click on a particular reward, you can see how much pack completed and what reward you want to give, and everything is edited here. Next is country management. In country management, you can define your users. It means you can describe which country your users should be there, and if you don't want a particular country, you can deactivate it by clicking on the deactivate button. For example, if you want to deactivate this country, you can deactivate it by clicking on the deactivate button, and when you click on submit, this country will be deactivated, and so the users won't be able to log in from this country. So this is how the country management works. And next is testimonial management. Testimonial management refers to the testimonials and the reviews given by the users, which means the user, when they use your MLM business or the software, they give a particular type of reviews which can be shown in the user page here, and you can activate or deactivate these testimonials in this testimonial management tab. If you want to deactivate these testimonials, you can deactivate it, and if you want to delete it, you can delete it totally, or edit it, you can edit it here. And this is how the testimonial management works. Next is event management. So event management refers to the events conducted by you as an admin, and if you want to edit an event, you can edit it here, and it can be shown in the user page or event list. And you can also deactivate a particular event, and you also delete the particular event. If you want to add extra event, you can add it in this add event tab, and you can add what type of event and the date mentioned, and everything is updated in events management. And next you can see is product. In product you can see purchase history, product management, category management, product dispatch and delivered, and all these tabs will be explained. So first is purchase history. So purchase history means, as it is an MLM product demo, so what are the purchases your members or users have been purchased, and if they are paid or not. And there are two kinds of payment, as online and offline, and InstaMojo and offline payment as in the bank or the credit card or GPs, and everything is updated and integrated in our software. And if they have paid through offline, they have to update their payslip, and you can check into their payslip whether they are paid or not and what type of amount is paid, and you can activate or deactivate it. And this is how the purchase management works. And next you can see is product management. So in product management refers to the products in your MLM software, the how many products you have enlisted here. Our software can be enlisted more than 1000 products, as we have upgraded with the latest versions and integrations. So yes, you can see here how much stock is available, their cost and the date when it is restocked. And if you want to add more stock, you can click on add plus stock, and if you want to deactivate the product, you can click on the deactivate and edit it, and if you want to totally delete it, you can also delete it. If you want to add more products, you can click on add products, their product name, cost and type of commissions you want, and the purchase bonus, indirect purchase bonus, and everything is updated in product management category. Next is category management. So in category management refers to the product category you have enlisted in your software. So how much categories you have here, and if you want to deactivate a particular category, you can also deactivate it and also delete it. And this is how the category management works. Next you can see is product dispatch. As it is the product, whether it is dispatched or not is updated in the product dispatch management. When a user buys a particular product, you have to activate it as an admin with their payslip. When they have paid through the e-wallet, there won't be any payslip here. When you want to activate it, click on activate your courier name and courier number and click on submit, and it will be automatically activated and the dispatch will be processed. And this is how product dispatch management works. And next you can see is product delivered. Product delivered refers to whether the product is successfully delivered or not. And if you want to deactivate, you can also deactivate there. And the next you can see is stock management. So stock management refers what type of stocks you have listed here. So in stock list you can see your products list and whether it is available in stock or not, and their date. And if you want to add more stock, you can click by adding on plus stock. Next is sold management. So how much products it has been sold, and everything is in sold stock management. Next is waste management. Is refers to this stock that is wasted. For example, if an Apple Cinema phone has been damaged once, so it is waste management stock. So this is how the waste management appears or works. And next is user management. As you can see here, user management, you have sponsor, so it is your sponsor ID and sponsor name. And next you can see is users. So in users, how many users are in your MLM software, and whether they have their membership pack active or not, and whether they are renewed, and their payslip, and everything is updated here in our software in user management tab. And you can also view their payslip, and you can activate and deactivate their particular member. And next is membership package. As I said earlier, you can manage your membership plan here, whether you want your basic package to be 20 rupees and valid for 60 days, and you can also edit it by changing everything and how many days you have been valid and their binary capping amount, and click on update. This is how the membership plan management works. And next is commission. So in commission, you can set your referral bonus. For example, if your referral type is amount, you can set the particular amount to be required for a user as a bonus. And in pair commission plan management, you can see from 1 to 1 pair, you can set the type of percentage for send as the commission to the users. And you can also set in general plan details the TDS percentage you have detected from the commissions, and if the minimum withdrawal amount is 100 only, they can withdraw that amount from their wallet. And this is all updated in general plan details. If you want the minimum 200 amount to be as in withdrawal, you can set it as 200, and you can also change your TDS percentage here. And this is how general plan details works. And next you can see is set level commission. So set level commission means how much of commission can be sent to the users when they complete each level. You can also change it here by clicking on edit. If you want to deactivate a particular level commission, you can also deactivate or delete it. And next is site setting pages. So this is the user web page, and you can change all these site settings in this tab. So first is slider settings. You can change each particular slides, all their pictures and content, everything in this slider settings. You can edit it by clicking on edit and change your title, subtitle, content and image, and click on update. And next you can see is change password. If you want to change your password, you can change password in this tab. And next is general settings. So in FAQ, you can see in the user page, you will be referred to an FAQ page there. And as I said in that video, you can change it in the admin panel. So everything is updated in this FAQ page here. You can activate, deactivate it, or you can edit it or delete it, and everything is in this FAQ page tab. And next is help management. So in help management, if a user wants to immediately connect with you, you can set these tab features in this help management tab. And next is upload document. In upload document tab, you can upload the documents your user wants to see and everything in this tab details. And next is your bank details. As an admin, enter your correct account number and bank name for the user to transact their amount to you in case of membership or any other commissions. So the account and admin bank details are really important tabs you need to manage. And next you can see is feedbacks. So feedbacks refers to the feedbacks you have received through mail or through your website and everywhere, and all these feedbacks are updated in the feedback management tab. You can delete or even reply to their status. And next you can see is subscribers management. So subscribers management requires the subscribers for your newsletters or anything. And next refers to the review management. So review management refers to the reviews given by your users and the members by using your MLM business and plans, and everything is updated in reviews management. And next you can see is payout management. So in payout management, there is referral payout, pair commission management and all. Payout management refers to the total payout has been transacted by any users. So in referral bonus management, how much payout has been referred through the referral bonus and earned. So in commission amount, you can see the commissions that had been earned by the particular users and received, and if the status is approved or not. And next you can see is pair commission management. So in pair commission management, how much commissions have been earned through the pairs and which users and whether it is approved or not. And next you can see is purchase bonus. So it is in product demo. So what product they have been purchased and whether they have earned their bonus or not, and the indirect purchase bonus, whether the status is approved and which date, and everything is updated in purchase bonus management. And next is pair capping bonus. So in pair capping bonus, the referral ID is how much of pair capping earned through the IDs and what amount and when they have earned, everything is updated in pair capping bonus. And next is level payout. So how much level they have completed and earned, and when they have earned, whether it is approved or not, everything is updated in level payout management. Next is transaction settings. So in transaction settings you can see the total transactions appeared here. So in withdraw request, how much users gave you to the admin to withdraw their amount, and whether you have accepted for their transfer is updated in withdraw request management tab. And next you can see is cancel request. So cancel request refers to the request you have cancelled when the users have requested for a withdraw. And next is withdraw report. So the total report, whether the amount is cancelled, your TDS percentage and the commissions and everything is saw in withdraw report management tab. Next is support center. In our MLM software, we have a unique feature of mailing system to mail within the MLM members to communicate and keep up the relationship. So in statistics, you can see how much of mail you have received in the inboxes, and whether you want to reply them or you have to delete it, and every action can be imitated here. And next is compose mail, whether you want to compose a mail to a particular user, and subject and message is, and click on send. And next is outbox, how much mail you have sent and how much mail you have read and unread, and every details is updated in this mail statistics tab. Next tab is e-pin management. As I said earlier, e-pin management is an indirect referral way of bringing in the MLM members. So in e-pin management, as an admin, you can set the number of e-pins. So in e-pin generate, you can set the number of e-pins a member can buy if they have the basic membership package. So if they have the basic membership package, they can buy only a particular amount of e-pin, for example 5. And if they have the membership package VIP, they can have an e-pin amount of 20. So this is how the e-pin generate list works. And next is e-pin list. So how much e-pin have been purchased and who have purchased their membership package, and their ID and their purchased user is seen in e-pin list tab. Next is e-pin approval. So how much of e-pin you have approved and whether the e-pin is active or inactive is seen in purchased e-pin list, and these details are updated every time. Next is business settings. So business settings refers to the email settings, whether the particular email, what email you have to receive all the mails and what portal, and everything is updated here. And in advanced settings you can see the type of commissions or plans you want to deactivate. If you want the e-pin tab to be disabled, you can disable it here. If you want the leg selection to be default, you can click on default. If you want it to be manual, by clicking on each members below, you can select it as manual. And if you want to disable a particular payout commissions, you can also disable it. And next is clear database. So clear database refers to the total database that can be cleared. And next is advertisement. So if you are running an advertisement in your software or in your web page to the users, you can see the settings in advertisement. And if you have already run certain advertisement, you can see the list in this advertisement list tab. And whether you want to deactivate it, you can deactivate it by clicking on deactivate. And next is news management. So news management refers to the news that has been updated to the users in the web page. So you can edit all these news here in the edit button. If you want to delete it, you can totally delete these news, and you can also deactivate it temporarily. And this is how the news management works. Next is CMS. CMS refers to content management system. So content management system refers to the contents that are seen in the user page. And if you want to edit all these details in the admin panel, you can edit it in this CMS management. So futures tab just shown in the user page is edited here in this futures tab. So you can change each content here and updated it. And whether you want to change the about us page, you can change the particular about us contents here, and you can also update it. And if you want to change your background image also, you can change it, and you can also add URLs. And if you want to change the how it works page, you can also change their content in how it works, and you can detailedly analyze your particular MLM plans and show it to your users with your content here. And next is other CMS. So other CMS refers to the minute CMSs which are seen in the user page, and all these details are updated in CMS management tab. So, and that's all the admin demos. So each and every detail which are shown to the users and what your MLM plan requires are updated in this admin tab. You don't need a developer to change these code or content for you. As an admin, you can change every inch and details here, and this is all the basic features required for an admin. You can also change these features according to your MLM businesses. And that's all the admin demo. And if you want to check about the user demos and web page, the links are given in the description below, and watch all the videos for a complete overview of binary MLM e-commerce.